Good evening, friends. As an election officer appointed by the Telangana High Court Advocates Association, I have the privilege of presiding over the elections, and we have been monitoring the elections right from morning 10:30. And it's an historic election in the high courts of the country. For the first time, we have been conducting the elections through electronic voting virtually, and I thank all the voters who have participated in this election process. I profusely thank the office bearers led by Sri T. Suryakaran Reddy, Senior Advocate, who have been instrumental in taking up this unique procedure of conducting elections through internet and electronic media. Dear friends, we are also thankful to Next Page Technologies Private Limited, who at a very short notice have developed the software and monitored the entire election process and in fact from morning 10:30 we have been facing lot of challenges in conducting the elections, and my friend Sri Prasad, who was doing the monitoring without even having a lunch hour, he did not move out of his seat from morning 10:30 to 4:35. I congratulate him for giving such a wonderful opportunity for all of us to participate in the election. Now I declare the results. The results will be declared and thereafter it will be displayed on the board also. I request all the contestants,
all the candidates to sign in.
all the contestants, dear friends,
అక్కడ తలుపు పని చేయండి దర్వాజా పెట్టండి.
thank you. All the contestants are required to sign the declaration form which will be available with the President, Secretaries and the Vice President of the Association. I request all of you to sign the declaration forms then before leaving this premises, before leaving this hall. Now I declare I request all of the friends to keep the mobile phones in the silent mode so that it will be a opportunity for us to declare it in a cordial and a peaceful atmosphere. I request Sri Prasad to display the votes polled in the election. In fact, this is a unique system where you may be aware earlier we were counting physically or through a different system. But in this system, everything will come by a click on the computer monitor. Now, I declare the results for each of the posts. For the post of President,
ఫస్ట్ క్యాండిడేట్
the first candidate, Sri Agastya Sharma, secured 308 votes. The second candidate, Sri Ashok Gaud Ponnam, it will come, monitor will show a little
అన్న
bit.
అంతా మాట్లాడి చూపిస్తారు చెప్పినాక మానిటర్
Ashok Gaud Ponnam secured 1002 votes. It will come, monitor. Jagan A, candidate number 3, secured 190 votes. Fourth candidate Sri M. Narendra Reddy secured 733 votes. Fifth candidate Sri Raghu Veros secured 766 votes. Now as per the votes polled, I hereby declare Sri Ashok Gaud Ponnam as the elected candidate for the post of President. Now I announce the votes polled for the post of Vice President. Candidate number 1, C. Rajashekar Reddy, he secured 798 votes. Second candidate, Sri Madhusudan Reddy Gollepalli, secured 148 votes. He secured 798 Candidate number 3, Mohammad Mumtaz Pasha, secured 924 votes. Fourth candidate, Sri D.L. Pandu, secured 497 votes. Fifth candidate, Sri Srinivasachari S, secured 602 votes. As per the majority votes poll, Sri Mohammad Mumtaz Pasha, candidate number 3, is declared elected for the post of Vice President. The post of Secretary, there are two posts of Secretaries. Now I announce the votes polled for each of the candidates. Candidate number 1, Sri Anil Srinivas Akula, he secured 644 votes. Candidate number 2, Sri Arun Kumar Satyavolu, secured 344 votes. Candidate number 3, Kalyan Rao Shengalwa, secured 1215 votes. Candidate number 4, Narasimha Reddy Baddam, secured 423 votes. Candidate number 5, Niranjan Reddy K, secured 951 votes. Candidate number 6, Rajkumar Gabriel MB, secured 390 votes. Candidate number 7, Sujan Kumar Reddy Totakura, secured 1061 votes. As per the
first secretary.
election,
First.
declaration of two candidates.
First.
Candidate number 1, first secretary shall be Kalyan Rao Shengalwa, who secured 1215 votes. The second general secretary is Sri Sujan Kumar Reddy Totakura, who secured 1061 votes. Now I announce the votes secured for the post of joint secretary. Candidate number 1, Dhanalakshmi Donta, secured 935 votes. Candidate number 2, Ramesh Chandra Gaud Yendanuru, secured 634 votes. Candidate number 3, S. Suman, secured 913 votes. Candidate number 4, Sharda Bodikala, secured 436 votes. As per the votes polled, I declare Dhanalakshmi Donta as elected to the post of joint secretary, having secured 935 votes. I declare Dhanalakshmi Donta for the post of treasurer. Candidate number 1, Anita J.K. secured 696 votes. Candidate number 2, Lakshmaya Kanchani, secured 1305 votes. Candidate number 3, Sanjeev Kalwala, secured 328 votes. Candidate number 4, Umarani Gogikar, secured 603 votes. Now I declare Lakshmaya Kanchani as elected for the post of treasurer, having secured 1305 votes. For the post of sports and cultural secretary, candidate number 1, Sri Babu Rao Polakatla, secured 1022 votes. Candidate number 2, Mangulal Ramawat, secured 1894 votes. I declare Mangulal Ramawat as elected to the post of sports and cultural secretary, having secured 1894 votes. For the post of executive members, 15 years. Candidate number 1, Bandari Shankar, secured 1559 votes. Candidate number 2, Krishna Kumar Naguluri, secured 1326 votes. I declare Bandari Shankar as elected with 1559 votes. For the post of executive member reserved for the women, candidate number 1, Kanya Kumari Igala, secured 927 votes. Candidate number 2, Shravya Katta, secured 2009 votes. I declare Shravya Katta as elected for the executive member reserved for women. For the post of executive member general, there shall be 4
to be declared.
Candidate number 1, Abhilash Sonteke, secured 853 votes. Candidate number 2, Aravind Kumar Mula, secured 748 votes. Candidate number 3, Jayakrishna CH, secured 1137. Candidate number 4, Jayaraju Madari, secured 547 votes. Candidate number 5, Liaquat Ali Jan, secured 622 votes. Candidate number 6, Murali Krishna Lanka, secured 952 votes. Candidate number 7, Prabhakar Rao Kuchipudi, secured 679 votes. Candidate number 8, Prasad Ravanaboina, secured 811 votes. Candidate number 9, R.P. Raju, secured 1027 votes. Candidate number 10, Saidulu Apla, secured 599 votes. Candidate number 11, Srinivasa Reddy, Sareddy, secured 708 votes. Candidate number 12, Vishala Amde, secured 1394 votes.
యాక్చువల్లీ నాలుగు హైయెస్ట్ ఒకటి అక్కడ 4 పేర్లు స్టార్ట్.
The first candidate to be declared,
వెంకటాది ఆయన ఒకసారి మీరు చూసి డిక్లేర్
the first candidate to be declared,
కొద్దిగా తొందరపడదు.
1, 2, 3, 4.
చూడండి హైయెస్ట్ వన్ ఇదేనా హైయెస్ట్ 2
ఇది 2, ఇది 3, ఇది 4.
పేరు
I declare Vishala Ande, who secured 1394 votes as the first executive committee member. Number 1, Jayakrishna CH, who secured 1137 votes, is the second executive committee member. Number 1, R.P. Raju, who secured 1027 votes, stands at 3. Murali Krishna Lanka, who secured 952 votes, stands at 4. Therefore, I declare Vishala Ande, Jayakrishna CH, R.P. Raju, and Murali Krishna Lanka as elected to the post of executive member general.
ఒకసారి డిస్ప్లే చేసి
Now the entire list will be displayed on the display board. I request Sri Prasad to share the same for the convenience of all the members who are present in this association. I once again request all the contestants, please sign the declaration form which is available with the returning officer before leaving this hall. I congratulate all the elected members, and I also congratulate all other candidates who participated in this election process and were successful in conducting the elections under the guidance of the President of the Association, Sri P. Suryakaran. Successful in conducting the elections under the guidance of the President of the
స్క్రీన్ మీద డిస్ప్లే చేయండి.
Association, Sri P. Suryakaran.
అయిపోయింది.
I request to display one by one so that it will be, because the entire list cannot be displayed. First I request to display the residents so that it will be residential candidate. First I request to display the residents. Thank you. Now I request to display the in respect of vice presidential candidate. Thank you. Now I request to display. Thank you. For the post of general secretaries. Sorry, secretaries. For the post of general vice secretaries. Next. Thank you, sir.
జాయింట్ సెక్రటరీ
Now for display is for the joint secretaries. Thank you, sir. Then thank you. Next, treasurer. Display is for the joint. Next, sports and cultural secretary. Then thank you. Next, treasurer. Thank you. Executive member, 15 years. Next, sports and executive member reserved for women. Executive member general, 15 years. Executive member reserved for women. Executive member general. Thank you.
ప్రింట్అవుట్ తీసేసి
షేరింగ్ ఆఫీస్
తీసేసి షేరింగ్ తీసేసి ఇక క్లోజ్ చేసేసి యూట్యూబ్ కూడా క్లోజ్ చేసి
I request the contestants to please be seated and come to the returning officer's table for affixing their signatures. Thank you. Seated and come to the returning officer's table for affixing their signatures. Sure. Thank you.